Need to finish it. What's so special about this game? Why are you quickly trying to finish it? Have you heard? Top's game cancelled. I have to finish this game as quickly as possible. Twop's not getting cancelled. It's just a joke. Yeah, I'll believe that when pigs fly. Oh God. I need to go to the toilet. I need to go. Don't touch anything. Okay. Now where was I? Oh yeah. Where is that eraser? Oh, there it is. Got it. Oh my God. Oh, I hate it. I hate being on all fours. Great. I accidentally turned off his Xbox. You did what? Oh, it's fine. Let's go to the other room. Say, want to play a game called Throwing the Idiot? What is Throwing the Idiot? It's where I grab the nearest grease, throw it into the other room because they turned off my Xbox. Ow. Now, I am going to torture you. Oh, hold on. Now I'm going to torture you. Torture me? What? Oh. You can't torture me because I accident. It was an accident. You were an accident. If you said that in front of Arnold, he would absolutely beat the shit out of you. Well, surprise, RJ isn't here. So now I get to force you to watch Beverly Hills Chihuahua. No, I want out! Why does it always have to be that one clip? This is payback! Yeah, we're not done there. We have to watch the sequel. The sequel! No one told me there was a sequel! Who in the right mind would make a fucking sequel? Disney. What? Oh, that was a good movie, right? I have lost hope in the future. Well, now it's time for the Help! I found help!
So, you great bitch, you want to torture Grease of a fucking accident?
Well, he turned off my Xbox, so I'm doing the same thing to him.
Well, how about I do the same thing to you?
Wait, what? The gods answered my prayer. First Nottingham in Europe, now I'm being saved. Wait, oh my. What I'm surprised they didn't get 17 Flossie. Wait, what did you do with Kleber?
Oh, he wanted to listen to music, so I put on music for him. Spoilers alert. It's Justin Bieber, his least favorite musician.
Oh yeah, Justin Bieber. He hates Justin Bieber. Wait. McDonald's?
A McDonald's? Oh, I'm buying, bud. Let's go.
Alright, don't drop the cha-ching. Let's go. Hey, that's my line.